Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the 8th session of integration for senior inter students. So in this session we are going to discuss 7 marks questions. So we have different type of methods. So this is first method. If integrals in the form of integration 1 by a plus b sin x dx, integration 1 by a plus b cos x dx, integration 1 by a cos x plus b sin x dx, integration 1 by a cos x plus b sin x plus c into dx. If integrals in this form, so at the time we are using this method. So first let tan x by 2 equal to t. So if integrals in the form, we can consider first tan x by 2 equal to t. Now x by 2 is equal to tan inverse t. X by 2 equal to tan inverse t. Now x is equal to 2 into tan inverse t. Now both sides differentiate with respect to x. Both sides differentiate with respect to x. Then x differentiation is 1 equal to 2 into tan inverse t differentiation 1 by 1 plus t square. So t with respect to x, then we can write here dt by dx. Now dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. So this is a dx value. So here considering tan x by 2 equal to t. So when we are consider tan x by 2 equal to t, if in integrals a plus b sin x or cos x, sin x cos x both, at the time we are consider tan x by 2 equal to t. Now sin x in form of tan x by 2, sin x equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Sin x in terms of tan x by 2, 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. 2t by 1 plus t square. Now cos x in terms of tan x by 2, we can write as cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Now cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So this is cos x value. So dx is 2 by 1 plus t square dt and sin x value 2t by 1 plus t square and cos x value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. If integrals, same this is also a method 1. If integrals in the form of 1 by a plus b cos 2x dx or a plus b sin 2x dx. If we have sin 2x and cos 2x, now at the time we are considering let tan x is equal to t. If sin x and cos x, we are considering tan x by 2 equal to t. If we have sin 2x cos 2x, then let us consider tan x is equal to t. Now x is equal to tan inverse t. Now both sides differentiate with respect to x. So 1 equal to 1 by 1 plus t square into dt by dx. Now dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now here sin x and cos x, sin x is equal to 1 minus t 1 2 tan x, sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. Now sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square. Similarly cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So here sin 2x and cos 2x. So here also we can write this is sin 2x in tan x. So sin 2x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, and here also cos 2x. Cos 2x we can write in tan terms 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Now cos 2x equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So sin 2x cos 2x and here sin x cos x are same, but in difference in dx. If we have sin x cos x, here we get 2. So dx value become 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. If in our question we have sin x 2x, here not get 2, here only 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. If in our question we have 2, if we doesn't have a 2, so we get dx equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. So in our integration we have 2 cos 2x or sin 2x. So dx value is 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. So this is method 1. So method 1, first question. So integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. So here we have cos x and dx. So first write here, let tan x by 2 equal to t. Now then dx is equal to, so here we have cos x. So dx is equal to, we can write as 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. So this is dx value. Next we don't have here sin x, only we have cos x. Write cos x value only. Cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. This is cos x value. Now substitute here. Integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x into dx is equal to integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dx. Dx value is 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now all x terms changes into t terms. Now integration 1 plus t square multiply here. So this is in denominator, it move upside. So we get 1 plus t square by 5 into 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square into 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now 1 plus t square get cancelled, 2 right outside. So we get integration 1 by 5 into 1 5 plus 5 into t square 5t square, 4 into 1 4 minus 4 into t square 4t square into dt. Now we can write 2 into integration 1 by 5t square minus 4t square is t square, 5 plus 4 9 into dt. We can write 2 into integration of 1 by t square plus 9, we can write as 3 square into dt. Now equal to 2 into, apply your integral formula, integration of 1 by x square plus a square, x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, means here in place of x we have t, in place of a we have 3. Now tan inverse t by 3 plus c. Now 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3 into tan inverse of, now in place of t substitute tan x by 2. So tan inverse of tan x by 2 by 3 plus c. So this is the value of integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos x dx. So this is our answer. Next question number 2, integration 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx. So again write here, let tan x by 2 equal to t. Now here dx is equal to, so we have here 5 sin x, we have sin x, so dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now again we have sin x, right, sin x value 2t by 1 plus t square. So this is dx value and this is sin x value. So dx is 2 by 1 plus t square into dt and sin x value is 2t by 1 plus t square. Now substitute here, integration 1 by 4 plus 5 sin x dx equal to integration 1 by 4 plus 5 into, right, sin x value is 2t by 1 plus t square into dx. So dx value is 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now equal to integration 1 plus t square, multiply here, so we get, so 1 plus t square, move upside, 1 plus t square by 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 2 10, 10 into t 10t plus 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. So 1 plus t square get cancelled. So integration 2 by 4 into 1 4 plus 4 into t square 4t square plus 10 into t 10t into dt. Now here, right, this one integration 2 by 4t square plus 5 plus 10t plus 4 into dt. Now your denominator take it as common 2, now we get 2t square plus 5t plus 2 into dt. Now 2 get cancelled, integration 1 by 2t square plus 5t plus 2 into dt. Now this equation changes into x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square, right. How to change? So here, right, 2t square plus 5t plus 2 equal to, so first we have to find this value. So first t square coefficient make it 1. Make it as t square coefficient 1. So here 2 is there, first take it as common 2. We get t square plus 5 by 2 into t plus 1. 2 into t square. So 2 into t square plus 5 by 2 into t. It can written as 2ab form. It can written as 2ab form. So multiply and divide with 2. Write 2 into 5 by 4 into t. 2 multiply and divide here, get 2 into 5 by 4 into t plus 1. Next here box 5 by 4 value is there. 5 by 4 square, add and subtract. Add and subtract 5 by 4 square. Already this type of questions we solve in 2 marks. So 2 into t square plus 2 into 5 by 4 into t plus 5 by 4 square, add and 5 by 4 square subtract plus 1. Now equal to 2 into, so t square plus 5 by 4 square plus 2 into 5 by 4 into t, we can written as t plus 5 by 4 whole square. Next minus 5 by 4 whole square, we get 25 by 16 plus 1. Now 16 into 1 16, so we get 2 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25 plus 16 by 16. Now 2 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 25 plus 16, we get minus 9. So we get 9 by 16. So 9 by 16 we can written as, so t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square. Now 2t square plus 5t plus 2 we can written as 2 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square. So substitute here. So we get integration 1 by 2 into t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square into dt. Now 1 by 2 right outside, we get integration 1 by t plus 5 by 4 whole square minus 3 by 4 whole square into dt. Now 1 by 2 into, apply your formula, integration 1 by x square minus a square, formula x square minus a square. 1 by under root of x square minus a square, formula 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 into a log mod x minus a by x plus a, x minus a by x plus a plus c. Here in place of x we have t plus 5 by 4, in place of a we have 3 by 4. So what is the formula? Integration 1 by x square minus a square. So formula is log mod 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. So this is the formula. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 2 get cancel, here 4 cancel. So we get 1 by 3 into log mod. So LCM is 4, we can write 4t plus 5 minus 3 by 4 by 4t plus 5 plus 3 by 4. So 4 4 get cancel, 5 minus 3 2 here, 5 plus 3 8. So we get 1 by 3 log mod, so equal to 1 by 3 into log mod 4t plus 2 by 4t plus 8 plus c. Now 1 by 3 into log mod 4t plus 2, take it as common 2, we get 2t plus 1, here also 2t plus 4. So 2 to get cancel, in place of t write tan x by 2, we get 1 by 3 log mod 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 by 2 tan x by 2 plus 4 plus c. So this is our answer. So our answer is 1 by 3 log mod 2 tan x by 2 plus 1, 2 tan x by 2 plus 4 plus c. So before third question, I explained some concept here. Suppose how to change the equations into x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square. Suppose we have one equation 3x square plus 5 by 3 into x plus 6. So this equation we have changes in these equations. So either it is x square plus a square or x square minus a square minus or a square minus x square. So first x square coefficient always 1, x square coefficient always 1. First make it x square coefficient 1 and x square coefficient here always positive. If the equation is in root, then x square coefficient 1 and always positive. If it is not there root, just to simplify here. So if we have a root, x square coefficient is 1 and positive. If there is no root, x square coefficient is 1. If it is positive or negative, no problem. Okay na? So suppose the equation like this. So if we have changed this into x square plus a square form, so here x square coefficient is 3. First take it as common 3. X square plus, so 3 take it as common, so we get 5 by 9 into x. 5 by 9 into x. Why? Because here take it as common 3. So again you multiply 3 here, 3 3s are 9, again we get 5 by 3x. So next 3, take it as common 3, here we get 2. So next this x coefficient, x square is over. Next here x coefficient write in the form of 2ab form. X coefficient write in the form of 2ab. So now here 5 by 9 is there. Suppose in this place we have 6x. Suppose in place of 5 by 9x we have 6x. 6x we can easily write 2 into 3 into x. Suppose if we have 8x, you can easily write 2 into 4 into 8. If we have 10x, easily write 2 into 5 into x. First to write 2, the number multiple with 2. So 6x we can write as 2 into 3 into x, and 8x we can write as 2 into 4 into x. 10x we have 2 into 5 into x. If we have 5x, you can write 2 into 5 by 2 into x. If we have odd numbers, if we have even numbers, we can easily write with 2 table. So 6 we can write 2 into 3 into x, 8x we can write 2 into 4, 10x we can write 2 into 5 into x. But we have 5x. 5x we can write 2 into 5 by 2 into x. If we have odd numbers, multiply and divide with 2. Suppose we have 7x, we can write 2 into 7 by 2 into x. If we have 9x, write 2 into 9 by 2 into x. If suppose we have 8 by 3x, 8 by 3x or 8x by 3. 8x by 3 you can easily write 2 into 4 by 3 into x. If we have 10 by 3x, can write 2 into 5 by 3 into x. If we have 12 by 3x or 12 by 5x, you can write 2 into 6 by 5 into x. Why? Because 2 into 4 8, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 6. So denominator value is same. If we have 5x by 9, 5x by 9, here odd number is there, denominator there. So at that time we can multiply and divide with 2. So we get 2 into 9 into 2, 18 into x. So denominator and numerator multiple with 2. So 2 multiply here, 2 we can write 2 multiply denominator, 9 2s are 18. So 5x by 9 we can write as 2 into 5 by 18 into x. If we have 7x by 3, we can write as 2 into 7 by 6. 2 multiply and divide, 2 already multiply and denominator and numerator also multiply. Numerator and denominator multiply with 2. So 2 3s are 6. So here we get 2 into 7 by 6 into x. If we have 11x by 7, we can write 2 into 11 by 14 into x. So 2 multiply here and 2 multiply with 7, 7 2s are 14. So if we have x like this, we can change like this. So finally next, after changing, suppose here 5 by 9x is there, you can write 2 into 5 by 18 into x plus 2. So next third step, here box, what is there here, the box value, between brackets we have 5 by 18, which number we have between value, that value square, add and subtract, that is the next step. So next step, you can add and subtract with 5 by 18. So now we can write 3 into x square plus 2, 5 by 18 into x plus 5 by 18 square add and 5 by 18 square subtract plus 2. So it is changes into x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square. So 3 into these 3 terms we can write as x plus 5 by 18 whole square, 5 by 18, 25 by, so 18 square right here, 2 is there. So multiply here, if we get plus value, we get x square plus a square, we get minus, we can write x square minus a square. So this is the way of change the equation into this form. So this is very, very important concept. So next. Right, next question number 3, integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos 2x. So here cos 2x is there. Let us consider, let tan x is equal to t. Let tan x equal to t. Now tan x equal to t, then dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now cos 2x in terms of tan x, so we can write 1 minus tan square x. So 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So this is cos 2x value. So substitute here, integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos 2x dx equal to integration 1 by 5 plus 4 cos 2x value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into dx 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now integration, so 1 plus t square multiply here, so we get 1 plus t square, move outside, 1 plus t square into 5 into 1 plus t square plus 4 into 1 minus t square into 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now 1 plus t square get cancelled, integration 1 by 5 into 1 5 plus 5 into t square 5t square plus 4 into 1 4 minus 4 into t square 4t square into dt. Now integration 1 by 5t square minus 4t square, we get t square 5 plus 4 9 into dt. Now integration t square plus 9 we can write as t square plus 3 square into dt. Now integration 1 by x square plus a square, formula 1 by a tan inverse x by a. In place of x we have t and in place of a 3. So we can write 1 by 3 tan inverse t by 3 plus c. Now 1 by 3 into tan inverse of, so t is tan x. So tan x by 3 plus c. So this is our integral value. Right, next question number 4, integration 1 by 2 minus 3 cos 2x. So cos 2x is there. So let tan x is equal to t. Now dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. And cos 2x. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So this is dx and cos 2x value. Now substitute here. Integration 1 by 2 minus 3 cos 2x into dx is equal to integration 1 by 2 minus 3 into cos 2x 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into, so dx 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now equal to integration of, so 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square multiply here 2 into 1 plus t square minus 3 into 1 minus t square into 1 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now 1 plus t square get cancelled. Integration 1 by 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into t square 2t square minus 3 plus 3t square into dt. We get integration 1 by 2t square plus 3t square 5t square 2 minus 3 we get minus 1 into dt. Now here t square coefficient is 5, now take it as common 5, we get integration, so 1 by 5 right outside, we get t square minus 1 by 5 into dt. Now 1 by 5 into integration of 1 by t square minus 1 by 5 we can write as 1 by root 5 whole square into dt. Now equal to 1 by 5 into integration of 1 by x square minus a square, x square minus a square. So x square minus a square formula 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a means t minus 1 by root 5, x minus a by x plus a, t minus 1 by root 5 by t plus 1 by root 5, 1 by root 5 plus c. Now 1 by 5 into, this is 2 by root 5, we can write as root 5 by 2 into log mod root 5t minus 1 by root 5 root 5t plus 1 by root 5. So root 5 get cancelled, here root 5 this 5 cancel, we get 1 by 2 root 5 into log mod root 5 into, in place of t write tan x, root 5 tan x minus 1 by root 5 tan x plus 1 plus c. So this is our integration value is 1 by 2 root 5 into log mod root 5 tan x minus 1 by root 5 tan x plus 1 plus c. So next question number 5, integration 1 by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x into dx. So here we have both sin x and cos x, so you can write dx sin x cos x. So let tan x by 2 equal to t, let tan x by 2 equal to t. Now dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. So this is dx value. Now sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So dx value is 2 by 1 plus t square into dt and sin x value 2t by 1 plus t square and cos x value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now all values substitute here, 1 by 4 cos x plus 3 sin x into dx equal to integration of 1 by 4 into cos x. So cos x value 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 3 into sin x value 2t by 1 plus t square into dx. So 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now here LCM 1 plus t square. So 1 plus t square by, so 4 into 1 minus t square plus 3 into 2t plus 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now 1 plus t square get cancelled, integration of 2 by 4 into 1 4 minus 4t square, 3 into 2 6, 6 into t 6t into dt. So here take it as common to denominator. So we get 2 minus 2t square plus 3t into dt. Now 2 get cancelled, so we get integration 2 minus 2t square plus 3t. Now we have to find this value, integration 1 by minus 2t square plus 3t plus 2 into dt. Now find this value, minus 2t square plus 3t plus 2 changes into x square minus a square or x square plus a square or a square minus x square, change that form. So take it here minus common, so we get 1 by 2t square minus 3t minus 2 into dt. Why? Because this equation doesn't have a root, so take it as minus here only. So now find the value of 2t square minus 3t minus 2. So first t square coefficient make it as a 1, so 2 is there, take it as common 2, we get t square minus 3 by 2 into t minus 1. Take it as common 2, so we get t square minus 3 by 2. Why? Because here take it as common 2, so 3 by 2t, here 2 is there, so already 2 take it as common, we get minus 1. Now 2 into t square minus, here 3 by 2 is there, we can write in a form of 2ab form. So multiply and divide with 2, we get 2 into 3 by 4 into t minus 1. Now 2 into t square minus, see here between brackets we have 3 by 4, now 3 by 4 square add and subtract, minus 2 into 3 by 4 into t plus 3 by 4 square add and 3 by 4 square subtract, minus 1. Now 2 into, this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, so we can write t minus 3 by 4 whole square, t minus 3 by 4 whole square. Now here again minus 3 by 4 square is 9 by 16 minus 1. Now 2 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 9, 16 into minus 1 minus 16 by 16, minus 9 minus 16 minus 25. So we get 2 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 25 by 16, we get 5 by 4 whole square. So 2t square minus 3t minus 2 we can write as 2 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square. So this value substitute here, we get integration minus equal to minus integration of 1 by, right, the value is 2 into t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square into dt. Now 2 right outside, minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by t minus 3 by 4 whole square minus 5 by 4 whole square into dt. Integration 1 by x square minus a square, x square minus a square 1 by 2a into log mod x square minus a square. Now x minus a by x plus a plus c. Now 2 to the 4, 4 get cancel, minus 1 by 5 into log mod, so here LCM is 4, 4t minus 3 minus 5 by 4, 4t minus 3 plus 5 by 4 plus c. Now 4, 4 get cancel, minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 and minus 3 plus 5 plus 2. So we get minus 1 by 5 into log mod 4t minus 8 by 4t plus 2 plus c. So in both numerator and denominator take it as common 2, we get minus 1 by 5 into log mod, take it as common 2, we get 2t minus 4 by 2t plus 1 plus c. So 2 get cancel. Now minus 1 by 5 into log mod 2 tan x by 2 minus 4. In place of t, write tan x by 2. Now 2 tan x by 2 minus 4 by 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. So this is our integral value. So our integral value is minus 1 by 5 into log mod 2 tan x by 2 minus 4 by 2 tan x by 2 plus 1 plus c. So next question, integration 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 into dx. So here also we have both sin x and cos x. So let tan x by 2 equal to t. Tan x by 2 equal to t. Now dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Dx is equal to 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square and cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So this is dx, sin x and cos x. Now substitute here integration 1 by 3 cos x plus 4 sin x plus 6 into dx. Now integration 1 by 3 into cos x value is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square plus 4 into sin x value 2t by 1 plus t square plus 6 into dx value 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now integration of, so here LCM 1 plus t square, multiply here first 1 by 3 into 1 minus t square plus 4 into 2t plus 6 into 1 plus t square whole by 1 plus t square into 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now this is 1 by, now denominator move upside, we get 1 plus t square by 3 into 1 3 minus 3 into t square 3t square, 4 2s 8t, now 6 into 1 6 plus 6 into t square 6t square, 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. 2 by 1 plus t square into dt. Now 1 plus t square get cancelled. Now integration 2 by, now integration 2 by 3t square plus 6t square, we get 3t square and plus 4t. So here 4 into 2 8, 4 into 2t 8t. So here we get 8t. Next plus, so here plus 3 plus 6 we get plus 9 into dt. Now here find this value 3t square plus 8t plus 9. So here t square coefficient is 3, so take it as common 3, we get t square plus 8 by 3 into t plus 3. So it is equal to 3 into t square plus 8 by 3, we can write as 2 into 4 by 3 into t plus 3. Now 3 into t square plus 2 into 4 by 3 into t. So between brackets value we have 4 by 3. Now 4 by 3 square, add and subtract. 4 by 3 square, add and subtract. So we get 3 into x square plus a square plus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab form. So we can write t plus 4 by 3 whole square minus 4 by 3 whole square 16 by 9 plus 3. Now 3 into t plus 4 by 3 whole square minus 16, 9 3 is 27 by 9. Plus 16 plus minus 16 plus 27 we get 11, that is plus 11. So t plus 4 by 3 whole square and 11 by 9. 11 by 9 we can write as root 11 by 3 whole square. So this is the value of 3t square plus 8t plus 9. So 3t square plus 8t plus 9 value is 3 into t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus square root of root 11 by 3 whole square. So the value substitute in the integral value. So we get now 2 into integration of 1 by 2 into integration 1 by 3 into t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square into dt. Now 3 right outside. Why? Because 3 is a multiple of this value. Now 2 by 3 into integration 1 by t plus 4 by 3 whole square plus root 11 by 3 whole square into dt. Now 2 by 3 into apply your formula integration 1 by x square plus a square. X square plus a square 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a t plus 4 by 3 by root 11 by 3 plus c. Now 2 by 3 into 1 by root 11 by 3 we can write as 3 by root 11 into tan inverse of 3 into t 3t plus 4 by 3 and here root 11 by 3 plus c. 3 get cancelled, here also 3 get cancelled. We get 2 by root 11 into tan inverse of 3 into in place of t write tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11 plus c. So this is our integral value. So integral value is 2 by root 11 into tan inverse of 3 tan x by 2 plus 4 by root 11 plus c. So this is our method 1, question number 6. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubts, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.